Hello to all my friends out there. And so I think it was last night or the night before, I made salmon patties and I froze some. So now, I need a snack. And so I just went to my freezer and I just got my salmon patties. And I had a couple of buns. I bought buns. I keep them in the freezer. And I have some mayonnaise, some mustard, and I have some pickle juice, pickle relish. And a little relish is good on these. And so, each one of these cost me $0.25. So let me taste one. Much cheaper than eating out. And so what I had was I had bought for my food storage some salmon, some cans of salmon for $0.25, and I had some breadcrumbs. But if you don't have any breadcrumbs, you can toast bread and make some breadcrumbs. And so one of the ways your food storage can help you is by making some salmon patties. So I use the small can of salmon, so I only use 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. And then I added, I think it was about 2 tablespoons milk. And then I froze these because I knew one of these days, like today, I would be dying of starvation and I need a little snack before dinner. And I saved my iced tea, and I have my little canister thing up and in operation. And thanks to one of the followers, I went to lemons, regular lemons. And according to etiquette, you're not supposed to squeeze your lemon into your tea. So I have my lemon in my tea, and I have, for a little snack, 1 cowboy cookie and 1 sugar cookie. So this is a very dirt cheap little meal. And so I will be back soon with some barbecued chicken and some fried rice and some fruit salad. And so hopefully I'll get to some more comments tonight. I have to take them a few at a time. I have a lot of comments now, but the ones I was reading this morning were really, really good. And one of the comments that I wanted to mention was, one of the ladies said, when they run out of something, they don't just run to the store and get more. They go without, and I thought, wow, that is something I hate to do. But I am trying to get to the point where I don't run to the store continuously. I think you do save money when you don't do that. So, I am working on that, and God bless you all.